Hi, welcome to King Info. In this video, I will gonna show you 3D printing and sandblasting to make a beautiful bronze dagger. To make this bronze casting, we will start by to making a pattern to make sand mold. We will use Fusion 360 to make this pattern and print it out by 3D printer. After printing out the pattern, we want to start cleaning of a pattern. We will trim excessive matter from pattern. You have to notice that the pattern make into two pieces. We will join this pattern with the bonding material. After joining that, apply the paint for more surface finishing. Now pattern is done. Now the time is make the sand mold. Use the half pattern to make a visible parting line. First step is make the mold. Place the pattern on the bottom side. Fill the mold with sand and impact with reamer. Now tilt the mold and take bottom side to up. Now the second step is make a upper part of the mold. Now we will use the baby pattern to make a sharp parting line. Clean the mold surface and make hole for pouring process. Assemble the both mold part, that is scope and track. Now the mold is finished. Now the dead time is melt the bronze. We will use the scrap material for melting. This bronze consists of 90% copper and 10% tin. Place the ladle into the furnace and heated them. We heated the bronze in a handmade furnace. Furnace temperature raised up to 1200 degrees centigrade. Pull out the ladle from the furnace and start the pouring. See pouring process again in slow mo. Now let the mold for cool down for a few minutes. Open the mold and extract the dagger from mold. Let it into the water for cool down. Next step is to removing excessive material. Use the hand saw to remove excessive material. We will use file to remove excessive material in minor stick. That is pneumatic grinder used to remove excessive material. I will cover the tip of blade to save myself during working. Now we will use emery paper to get shining and smooth surface. Now make a small hole with the drill machine for holding the wire Heat the surface for soldering purpose. Then wrap the wire on tire handle from to other hole. Final step is sharp the edges and Dagger is done. I hope you will enjoy this video. For the more video, please subscribe our channel. Thank you.